Tonight I'm going to try an original recipe. I got some spaghetti squash from the local market, cut it in half lengthways. That was pretty hard. I've put olive oil, sage, garlic, pepper and salt, taken out the seeds, and I'm going to bake it, and then I'll let you know what I'm going to do with it after that. So I'm making this up as I go along. This is some pork sausages mixed with mustard, cracked pepper and salt, and more garlic, and some onion, and a bit of broccoli for some greens. I'm going to put that into the middle of the spaghetti squash, and we'll see how we go.